I think most recently, a difficult assignment was working with a major Tier 1 for an automotive division provider in North America. The Tier 1 was struggling with a major launch, a whole new program, building a whole new propulsion system. And the magnitude of their issues exceeded the resource capability of the team that Tier 1 had. I was brought in to be the intern maintenance director for the company. And over that period of time, I implemented numerous processes and systems that are best practices within the industry. I also helped teach and mentor and coach the engineering team during that assignment, and I brought a lot of data-driven systems into their process. Over a period of 5 months in this assignment, I was able to successfully achieve the goals set forth for HVMC. We improved the jobs per hour from the plant from 3.7 to 7.7, which was 80% of capacity. Not only did we improve the jobs per hour, the Tier 1's customer also recognized the gains that HVMC brought to the table. And although it was a stressful assignment, it was very rewarding to help this Tier 1 achieve its customers' goals.